JetBlue is a U.S. airline known for its roomy cabins, friendly service, and free in-flight entertainment, operating a modern fleet mainly made up of Airbus A320 family, as well as Boeing 737, 767, 757, and 787 jets and efficient Airbus A220s, plus Embraer 190 being phased out as the airline updates its lineup. It flies a strong network across the United States, the Caribbean, Latin America, and key transatlantic routes to major European cities, focusing on customer comfort with features like free Wi-Fi, live TV, and its premium Mint suites on select long-haul flights.